We have another listing, guys. This is 14,000 square meters at 150 pesos per square meter, located in Barangay Cabantian Hills o Barangay Cabantian, Gindulman, Bohol, or at Cabantian Hills. So it is located in Cabantian Hills and belongs to a Barangay Cabantian. So mao na siya, guys. That is the situation. The second lot from the Barangay Road and near to the concrete road, approximately 200 meters away from the concrete road. 200, mga 200 yun, guys. 200 meters. And here in the rough road, it's around 100 meters. So it's second lot, and we can provide 5 meters wide road right of way. So because the owner of the first lot are relatives, so they are relatives, so they have us a road right of way for the proper access. So but you need to develop, no, you need to develop the road. Meaning the road is given, binigay na si road, pero tayo na ang mag-develop kung paano natin i-develop. So tayo na mag-hire ng backhoe, heavy equipment. So ganyan po, guys. So Gindulman is just around 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. So that is the situation, no? 2 hours, then few minutes drive from the beaches, or in Anda, Bohol, just around 10 to 15 minutes drive to the white sand beaches in Anda, Bohol. Or you can go to the white beaches in Gindulman, because there are also white sand beaches in Gindulman, Bohol. So yan po, guys, that is the first thing we do. We pass to the first lot. Lumalakad tayo papunta sa lupa na binibinta natin, uphill. So para tayong nag-walking tayo. So upon going up, I noticed already a sea view. So nakita ko na ang dagat. Papunta ko sa taas, nakita ko na ang dagat. May nakita akong sea view. So ito po yung mga madaanan natin, yung mga lote. So probably dalawa. So it will become third lot. So ito po. Yan po. Yung may bakod or perimeter fence, doon tayo kasi yung may bakod, bigay sila ng 2.5 meters, at sa itong di nakabakod, magbigay rin ng 2.5, kaya maging 5 meters yung road right of way natin. So yan po. Sinamahan na ako ng caretaker. Yan, lumalakad na kami paitaas. So, yun po, makita natin ang sea view. Yan. This is the boundary line already. Yeah, tinuro ni Manong. So, ang maganda dito guys, while mura pa yung property natin kasi kadalasan dito may mga binili na, mga resale na. Pero ito hindi pa na ito na resale. Direct to owner pa tayo. So, ang kagandahan dito, kung mabili natin, standby lang natin, gawin natin na investment. Kasi kadalasan diyan may mga foreigner na rin nag-develop. May mga mountain resort, tulad ng Book ID, nasa malapit lang yung mga sinabi ko. May foreigner din nakabili sa amin, malapit dito, nag-develop na siya. So, yan po ang kagandahan ng property natin. Mura lang yan, 150 pesos per square meter. So, it's around 2 million. So, kung bibilihin mo to, marami kang magagawa. For example, gawa ka ng mga bahay, parintahan, because it's like a mountain resort. O, gawa ka ng swimming pool dyan. Pwede. So, pwede. So, see, yung Camiguin Island, makikita na natin. Rolling terrain po yung property natin guys. Rolling terrain. At saka bihira na lang ang binibinta dito guys. At mahal na rin yung iba. Kung meron man. Pero ito ay sobrang mura. Napakamura to. So very affordable. So water, actually there is a water line, no, approximately nasa mga 200 meters away, mga ganon po. Pwede na tayo magpa-connect lang tayo. So, may flat terrain pa rin guys. So, maganda to. Magpatayo kayo ng mountain resort. Or mamaya na. Basta invest mo lang guys. Hindi yan mawawala. Nandyan talaga yan. Saka lumalaki pa yan. Mag-appreciate value pa yan. So, very nice. Oh, yung isla na yan is Camiguin. So, see? Cebu. Cebu lot for sale. In Barangay ayan Kabantian Hills, Indulman, Bohol, in Barangay Kabantian. So itong Gindulman guys, which is around 30 minutes drive from Ubay, Bohol. 30 minutes drive lang. So malapit lang. It's eastern part of Bohol province. Napaka fresh air talaga dyan guys. Preskong presko ang hangin. Super presko. Maglagay ka ng rest house dito. Facing Mindanao Sea. Super ganda. So ito po yung may bakod, o yan na po ang boundary. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. Again, the property we are selling is 1.4 or 14,000 square meters at 150 pesos per square meter. Negotiable. So ito po yung daanan, kasi dalawa ang daanan, 2 roads. At ito po yung malapit, concrete road. Malapit lang sa concrete road. So, pili ka, rough or concrete. Yun na po. Again, thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.